Readiness program, subject English, worksheet 4, primary level 2. Name the pictures. Here some names are here related to the pictures. Bathing, running, wake up, reading, brushing, walking, writing, playing. We should match or we should write the related picture. Bathing. First one is wake up. What is this? Wake up. Next, brushing. Next, bathing. Next, playing. Next, running. She is running. He is walking. What is this? Walking. He is reading. She is writing. Next, complete the crossword puzzle. Here is one puzzle. We should complete through the given hints. Here RUN, run. What is she doing? Run. So here run. Here he is jumping. So jump. JUMP, jump. Next, she is playing. Play. PLAY, play. He is crying. CRY, cry. He is doing combing. He is combing his hair. So comb, COMB, comb. He is doing brushing. So brush. She is reading. Read. READ, read. RUN, run. JUMP, jump. PLAY, play. CRY, cry. COMB, comb. BRUSH, brush. READ, read. Combine the letters and form new words. DEN, den. MEN, men. ZEN, gen. Next, GET, get. MET, met. YET, yet. Write a few sentences from the following table. I brush my teeth. I comb my hair. I wash my hands. I trim my nails. I eat my food. I do my homework. I wear my shoes. Like that we should write. I comb my hair. I wash my hands. I trim my nails. I eat my food. I do my homework. I wear my shoes. Next, worksheet 5. Name the pictures: jeep, scooty, aeroplane, train, bus, bicycle, bus, ship. 2 buses are here. Okay. These are some vehicles. We should name them by these clues. First one is bus. What is this vehicle? Bus. Next, jeep. JEEP, jeep. Next, scooters. SCOOTR, scooter. Next, auto. AUTO, auto. Auto we have to write here. Next, train. Train, train. This is cycle. CYCLE, cycle. Ship, S type ship. Aeroplane, AEROPLANE, aeroplane. These are the vehicles in waterways, roadways and airways. Next, look at the picture and tick the right word. The driver is a dash man అనుకుంటా. The driver is a young man or old man? Young. Tick the right word. It is a horse. The wheels are round. Wheels are always in round shape. The horse is black. Okay. Again we have same. FIG fig, JIG jig, WIG wig. FIG fig, JIG jig, WIG wig. KIN kin, TIN tin, BIN bin. Next, I go to my village by bus. I go to Vijayawada by car. I go to my village by train. I go to Vijayawada by auto. I go to Vijayawada by jeep. Like that we should write. I go to my village by car. I go to my village I go to my village by bus or by train. I go to my village by auto. I go to Vijayawada by train. Okay. I go to Vijayawada by car. I go to my village by jeep. I go to my village by auto or by train. Also we write by bus. By bus. I go to Vijayawada by jeep. Next, worksheet 6. Name the pictures. Eye, tongue, ear, head, chin, cheek, nose, mouth. These are body parts. So, what is he showing? Head. What is showing? Eye. What is he showing? Chin. What is she showing? Cheek. Cheek. What is she showing? Nose. What are these? Lips or mouth. What is this? Tongue. What is she showing? Ear. What is he showing is ear. Okay. Next, fill in the blanks with the right word. I dash to eyes. I have. She dash to hand. She has. I dash 2 ears. I have. He dash 2 legs. He has. I have fingers. She has 10 toes. I have one nose. What do we observe here? If we have to write have. She, he. For she and he, we have to write has, like that. Next, combine the letters and form new words. As it is, we can write pit, P-I-T, pit. N-I-T, knit. K-I-T, kit. L-I-P, lip. R-I-P, rip. Z-I-P, zip. Okay. Next, I see with my eyes. I smell with my nose. Like that we have to write I smell. What is next? I smell. From which part we smell? Smell with our nose. That's why I smell with my nose. I taste with tongue. With my tongue. Use tongue to taste. I hear with my what? Ears. We hear with our ears. I walk. How can we walk? With our legs. With my legs. I sense. Sense means feel. I feel with my skin. I bite with my teeth. To eat any fruit or anything, we use our teeth.